In this video, we'd like to demonstrate how easy it is to install a new faucet disc cartridge into a Blanco faucet. The cartridge controls water flow and temperature, and replacing the part can extend the life of your faucet for years to come. Before you take apart the faucet, make sure you have the right replacement parts. Blanco will ship you a new ceramic disc cartridge when you email us at faucets@blancoamerica.com. Be sure to know your faucet model. So long as the faucet is not damaged, we will offer these parts at no charge. Make sure you have your tools lined up before you start. Take a cell phone photo of each step so you know the order and placement of each part and can put things back together correctly in case you forget. Here's what you need: 2.5mm Allen key, adjustable wrench, channel lock pliers, rubber strap wrench, razor blade, needle nose pliers. Turn off the water supply by turning the valves clockwise one stop. Put the strainer in the drain to catch any dropped parts. To begin, locate and remove the button from the lever handle using your fingernail or razor blade. This is a plastic button with red hot and blue cold indicators. Or your model may have a button the same finish as the faucet. If you don't see a button on the handle, then there will be an opening on the back side of the handle in order to access the set screw. Using the 2.5mm Allen key, turn the set screw inside the lever counterclockwise one full rotation. Remove the lever from the faucet and make note of how each part is in position, taking a photo with your phone if needed, and put in order on the counter. Remove the cap. Depending on your faucet, this is done by turning the part counterclockwise with your hands, a strap wrench, or a tool provided. On some models, use needle nose pliers, placing the jaws inside the cap and turning counterclockwise. If visible, remove the brass retainer nut that holds in the cartridge. You can loosen with channel lock pliers or an adjustable wrench. You can now remove the old cartridge and any old O-rings. The new cartridge will come with new O-rings. Take this moment to wipe the area clean with a clean, dry, soft cloth. Install the new cartridge with the two locating tabs inserted into the opening. Now reverse your steps to reassemble the faucet. Place the brass retainer nut back on, if applicable to your model. Twist the cap clockwise to its original position and replace the lever. Tighten the set screw in a clockwise position one full turn with the 2.5mm Allen wrench. Don't over-tighten. Replace the button and turn on the water under the sink. Test the function of the faucet and check for any leaks. And your faucet should now be functioning normally. If you still have questions about your faucet, please contact us at faucets@blancoamerica.com.